Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to Release and Reset session. It's so wonderful to see you all here, and I hope you guys are comfortable and ready to give yourself this time. Yes?
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up, or you can type it, whatever is comfortable. All right. So there is little distraction for me because I have to allow people in. So I hope we all are doing great, and Friday, thank God it's Friday. How many of you feel, wow, thank God it's Friday? Yes, yeah, most of us look forward to it. Great, and before we begin, please type yes in the chat if the music was fine, the sound, the volume was okay, and you are also able to hear me clearly. Yes, perfect. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Great, great. So today we will be focusing on releasing overthinking and mental overload. So how many of you are struggling with this overthinking and mental overload, and you think because of that your sleep is getting impacted, your life is getting impacted, you are stuck somewhere? So you can type it in the chat box. Overthinking. Anita, okay. Who else? Everybody. I know whether you write it or not, everybody is stuck in this loop of overthinking. All right, so perfect. So today, as I mentioned, that we will be focusing on releasing overthinking and mental overload. Sometimes, body is resting, but the mind is still working. I know it's not sometimes, most of the time. And it happens, as I can see everybody's face, it happens, it can happen with anyone or anytime, right? So why this overthinking happens? Or what is this overthinking? एक ही थॉट को, एक ही सिचुएशन को बार बार सोचना, रिपीट करना, right, without reaching a clear conclusion. कि finally, ultimately, what's the result? What's the output?
Zero.
We are not
Zero.
zero, absolutely zero, because we are just thinking the same thing again and again. And why do we keep thinking? And what we keep thinking? क्या सोचते हैं हम?
As
We
we
are
know,
having a conversation. Okay.
Sorry?
We are having a conversation with our own selves only.
Own
No.
self only. Okay, but what is the conversation? That is what I want to know.
Something, any particular thought, in your mind, or maybe an experience or anything like that. And you're just thinking, oh God, this has happened. And then how I could have avoided it, or maybe, acha, this has happened. Next time I'll be more particular. But the experience keeps getting round and round in your thoughts only. You're
Absolutely.
having different options in your own mind. It's self-talk then after that.
Absolutely correct, अनीता. हम यही सोचते रहते हैं कि कल क्या होगा या कल क्या हुआ था, उसने ऐसा क्यों बोला, और आई कुड हैव आंसर्ड दिस,
ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ?
या मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ, एंड I could have done better, and what if I take this decision and it goes wrong? I had to regret it later. तो यही सब दिमाग में चलता रहता है. So if I explain you with an example also, आप imagine करो और सोचो कि कुछ आपकी कन्वर्सेशन हुई किसी के साथ मॉर्निंग में, और डिसएग्रीमेंट, बेसिकली कन्वर्सेशन क्या, जो चीज किसी ने आपको कुछ बोल दिया. So what happens? Entire day it keeps hovering over your head, चलता रहता है वो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
इट्स वेरी ऑब्वियस. वही हम सोचते रहते हैं, रात तक हम वही रीप्ले करते रहेंगे उसी कन्वर्सेशन को, एंड देयर इज नो एंड टू इट. हम यही सोचते रहेंगे, उसने ऐसा क्यों बोला, मैं उसको ये जवाब दे सकती थी, डिड आई मेक एनी मिस्टेक, और व्हाट विल दे थिंक अबाउट मी. यस, तो सिमिलरली आप ये एक सिचुएशन के बारे में सोच सकते हो. सिमिलरली व्हेन यू हैव टू टेक अ डिसीजन, the same thoughts keep coming. What if I take a wrong decision? What if I had to regret it later? व्हाट इफ समथिंग गोज आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल? ये सब चलता रहता है। और ये क्यों होता है? कैन एनीबडी टेल मी, ये होता क्यों है? सबके साथ हो रहा है, वही रेपिटेशन रेपिटेशन लूप हो ही जा रहा है, हमें पता है कि चल रहा है, बट होता क्यों है? You can type if you don't want to talk.
I'm just not getting that word. Flight freeze mode or something like that. You are feeling a bit insecure, and maybe like for me, for my instance, like few days, for last few months, I'm having some issues in my school, and I took a stand against it, and I was totally firm about it. But and in front of everybody that was there, I was totally alert, and I was very focused how I have to go about it. But at the same time, in my heart, I was scared, and that loop was going on and on and on. That I might
कि
lose
वो
my job, but
कि वो बोलेगा तो मैं क्या बोलूंगी?
yeah, what
यहाँ पे
that
फंस
person must
सकते
have
हैं।
gone and spoken. So I
या
was trying to prepare myself, but now
या
things are slightly stabilized.
ओके, एनीबडी एल्स?
मैं मैम हमेशा अपनी गलती ढूंढती रहती हूँ, मुझे दिमाग में वही कि मैं कहाँ गलत थी, तो वही सारा इंसिडेंट दिमाग में चले जाएगा। पता भी होगा कि नहीं है, हो गया, बट फिर भी अब मैं यही फोकस करती रहूंगी कि मैं कहाँ गलत थी।
यस यस, हम भी इस लूप में फंसते हैं। Okay.
I think we are not taught these things from our childhood, and whatever like atmosphere we are born in, I think this is the same atmosphere we are developing in our house, and the same thing it is in our mind as well. So
बट ये क्या चीज आप क्या क्या डेवलप करा आपने बचपन से, देखकर, और अभी आप उसी को फॉलो कर रहे हो?
Subconscious mind patterns.
पैटर्न्स, ओके, या
व्हाट आई हैव ऑब्जर्व कि माइंड में कुछ तो बात चलती है। इट मे बी नॉट नेगेटिव, हमेशा
But-
नेगेटिव नहीं चलती, बट कुछ उसको चाहिए करने के लिए माइंड को।
बिजी रहने के लिए उसको
हाँ।
कुछ गप्पे चाहिए है माइंड को। हाँ,
हाँ, तो
ओके,
फॉर मी इफ आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग एनीथिंग नेगेटिव, आई स्टार्ट प्लानिंग फॉर फ्यूचर। जैसे कि आई एम टेकिंग माई फिजियो सेशन, आई हैव सम 20 सेशन लेफ्ट। आई एम
हाँ।
प्लानिंग कि अक्टूबर तक खत्म हो जाएगा। आई एम टेकिंग द क्लास एंड आई एम आस्किंग माई ट्यूटर कि अक्टूबर तक वी हैव टू फिनिश दिस सेशन। शी इज ऑल्सो बग्ड कि अभी तो एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, अभी क्यों पूछ रही हो, अक्टूबर तो बहुत दूर है। तो व्हाट आई रियलाइज कि इवन इट्स नॉट कि इट्स ऑलवेज नेगेटिव थिंग, बट माइंड नीड समथिंग टू थिंक, समथिंग टू डू। कुछ उसे एंगेजमेंट चाहिए माइंड को।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। सो वी ऑल आर करेक्ट। सो लेट मी टेल यू, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, आपका फैट लॉस तब तक नहीं होगा जब तक आप अपना स्ट्रेस या डेफिशिएंसीज या इन्फ्लामेशन आपका कम नहीं होगा, राइट? क्योंकि बॉडी को भी तो सपोर्ट सिस्टम चाहिए होल्ड ऑन करने के लिए, इसलिए वो फैट को होल्ड करके रखा हुआ है। सेम विद द माइंड, माइंड भी आपको प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहती है, ठीक है? जितना आप उस प्रॉब्लम, उस सिचुएशन के बारे में सोचोगे, उतना ही आप, माइंड को लगता है कि उतना ही बेहतर आप एक सॉल्यूशन निकाल पाओगे, इसीलिए वो रेपिटेशन रेपिटेशन करता रहता है। आप इसीलिए ओवर थिंक करते रहते हो, क्योंकि माइंड को ऐसा लगता है कि आप जितना ओवर थिंक करोगे उस सिचुएशन या प्रॉब्लम के बारे में, या उसको कंट्रोल करने के बारे में, और या फिर अपनी किसी गलती से बचने के बारे में, आप एक बेटर रिजल्ट तक पहुंच पाओगे। बट एक्चुअल में क्या होता है? आफ्टर अ सर्टेन पॉइंट, thinking doesn't help, it doesn't create any clarity, rather what happens, सोच सोच के क्या हो जाता है आपको? मेंटल एग्जॉशन,
yes, stress,
मेंटल एग्जॉशन, और जो स्ट्रेस, जो चीजें आप सोच सोच के स्ट्रेस ले रहे थे, वो और स्ट्रेस आपका बढ़ गया,
right?
बिकॉज वही थॉट्स रिपीट होने लगते हैं। होते 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 फिर माइंड ओवरलोड हो जाता है। माइंड ओवरलोड हो गया तो जो आपने डिसीजन लेना था वो भी नहीं आप ले पाते, क्योंकि अब आप कंफ्यूज आ चुके हो, क्योंकि आपको प्रॉब्लम तो एक सॉल्व करनी थी, पर माइंड ने आपको 20 पॉसिबिलिटीज दिखा दी कि अगर तुमने डिसीजन लिया, ये नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, फिर रिग्रेट करोगे, राइट? तो उसने आपको एक 20 पॉसिबिलिटीज दिखा दी, जिसमें आप लूप में फंस चुके हो। तो डिसीजन भी आपको लेना बहुत मुश्किल लगता है, और बॉडी भी आपकी टायर्ड हो गई है अब, क्योंकि अब दिमाग चल रहा है तो बॉडी के ऊपर भी असर आ रहा है। ऑल आर इंटरकनेक्टेड, तो बॉडी भी आपकी टायर्ड है। ऐसा ही होता है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस फील द सेम? आप क्योंकि अभी उस लूप में फंस चुके हो। थिंकिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट, थिंकिंग, सोचना बहुत जरूरी है। जैसे अभी शैली ने बताया कि मैं अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रही हूँ कि मेरा कोर्स कब खत्म होगा, हाउ इट विल हेल्प मी, राइट? दोस थिंग, थिंकिंग हेल्प्स इन सॉल्विंग अस अ प्रॉब्लम, बट ओवर थिंकिंग क्या करती है, आपको उस प्रॉब्लम के ट्रैप में ही फंसा देती है। आप बाहर ही नहीं निकल पाते हो उस प्रॉब्लम के, क्योंकि ओवर थिंक आपने ज्यादा सोच लिया है। ओके, एंड नाउ हाउ दिस ओवर थिंकिंग इम्पैक्ट्स योर बिहेवियर? डज इट रिफ्लेक्ट इन योर बिहेवियर?
यस मैम।
हाउ? बताइए। हाँ, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, बिल्कुल। और कुछ?
लैक ऑफ
फोकस, आप डिसीजन नहीं ले पाते हो, डिसीजन मेकिंग इज जीरो नाउ, और आप बार
Sometimes we
बार
start eating too much.
बिकॉज स्ट्रेस आ गया।
Yes.
यस, आपका इमोशनल ईटिंग चालू हो गई, यार ये मैं सोच ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ, सोच सोच के मेरा दिमाग फट गया है, मेरे पास कोई जवाब नहीं है। वी टेल दिस डायलॉग ऑल्सो, राइट? अब दिमाग खराब हो गया इतना सोच सोच के, फिर कहते हैं चलो छोड़ो बाद में, पर फिर से हम उसी के बारे में रीथिंक कर रहे होते हैं। और क्या चीज, और क्या प्रॉब्लम आती है बिहेवियर में? यू आर लुकिंग फॉर रीअश्योरेंस, बार बार आप पूछते रहते हो, ठीक तो कर रहा हूं ना, ठीक तो कर रहा हूं ना, ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना, राइट?
लो कॉन्फिडेंस,
लो, एब्सोल्युटली लो कॉन्फिडेंस, क्योंकि आपको पता ही नहीं अब आपको क्या करना है, और वो सारा आपके बिहेवियर में, आपका बिहेवियर में रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है, तो आपकी लाइफ में इंपैक्ट हो रहा है, आपकी लाइफ इंपैक्ट हो रही है तो ऑब्वियसली आपके रिलेशनशिप इंपैक्ट होंगे, जो आसपास लोग हैं वो कहेंगे यार ये एक डिसीजन नहीं ले पाता, राइट? सो इट इंपैक्ट्स आवर बिहेवियर, ओवर थिंकिंग इंपैक्ट्स आवर बिहेवियर। बिहेवियर एक हो गया, अब लेट्स कम टू बॉडी। डज इट रिफ्लेक्ट इन योर बॉडी ऑल्सो?
यस मैम।
हाउ?
Lack of sleep.
एब्सोल्युटली, लैक ऑफ स्लीप। सबसे पहले तो नींद ही उड़ जाएगी सोच सोच के।
हाइपरटेंशन।
हाँ, टेंशन भी आएगी, बीपी भी बढ़ जाएगा थोड़ा सा, या टाइटनेस, हैवीनेस इन योर चेस्ट। कहां पे फील होता है स्ट्रेस? कहां पे ओवर थिंकिंग फील होती है सबसे ज्यादा? चेस्ट में एकदम चेस्ट भारी, एंजाइटी, घबराहट सी होने लगती है, शोल्डर एकदम टाइट, हेडेक इज द फर्स्ट, हेडेक इज द फर्स्ट थिंग। मेरा सर फट गया सोच सोच कर, राइट? और क्या? फटीगनेस, थकावट, और पेट में गड़बड़ किस किस की रहती है? पेट गड़बड़ा जाता है यार, डाइजेस्टिव डिस्कम्फर्ट, right? So all this shows, can you see how the loop is going on without we reaching any conclusion, any solution to a problem? We are still running in the loop only, right? So today, आज का जो सेशन है, it's not forcing you to quit thinking, कि आप सोचना छोड़ दो या थॉट्स जो आपको आ रहे हैं वो एकदम गायब हो जाएंगे। What we are going to do is we will be allowing our mind to release some of the pressure which we are holding, which we are carrying. Right? Are we good here?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, so we will be doing that. So relax your shoulders, sit comfortably, or if you are standing, stand comfortably. Okay? And I'll do one exercise now with you because now we have to release this. अभी हमने समझा है कि ओवरथिंकिंग क्यों हो रही है और हमारे बिहेवियर और हमारे बॉडी को कैसे इम्पैक्ट कर रही है ओवरथिंकिंग। अब ओवरथिंकिंग को हमें रिलीज भी करना है कि भैया जा, हमें नहीं चाहिए, हमें नहीं सोचना है फालतू। ओके, वी विल लिव इन द प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज प्रेजेंट में कोई थॉट नहीं आएगा। आप एकदम मस्त, जो आप अभी आप सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हो, जस्ट अटेंड दिस सेशन, डोंट गो इन द पास्ट, डोंट गो इन द फ्यूचर कि अभी मुझे ये करना है या मुझे ये करना था या करूंगा, राइट? लेट्स बी प्रेजेंट, राइट? सो अभी आपको क्या करना है, ब्रिंग योर अटेंशन टू जस्ट वन सिचुएशन जो आपको बार बार ओवर थिंक करने पर मजबूर कर रही है इन दिनों, और मे बी टुडे मॉर्निंग से। जैसे मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया था कि मॉर्निंग में आपको किसी ने कुछ कह दिया, अगर वही आपके दिमाग में अभी भी चल रहा है, यू कैन टेक दैट एज अ सिचुएशन यू वांट टू रिजॉल्व, यू वांट टू कम आउट ऑफ इट, ताकि आप बढ़िया सो पाओ। टुडे इज फ्राइडे, वी वांट अ गुड स्लीप 8 hours, राइट? बिकॉज कल छुट्टी है फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ अस, राइट? फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ अस। तो बताइए, जस्ट वन सिचुएशन, इट कुड बी एनी कन्वर्सेशन विच इज रीप्लेइंग इन योर माइंड, जो आपके दिमाग में चलती जा रही है, or it can be any decision which you are afraid of taking, or it can be a future situation, जो आप थोड़ा कंट्रोल करना चाहते हो कि फ्यूचर में ये होगा तो कैसे मैनेज करेंगे, और कुछ अनफिनिश्ड टास्क जो आपके दिमाग में ही घूम रहे हैं, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. सो इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. प्लीज pick your situation where you finding yourself stuck, and please type it in the chat box if you have already selected that situation you want to get rid of. Don't take very stressful or emotional situation, because we need to handle it in this session. So take that which we can manage in this session. Okay, बहुत painful experience मत लेना. Yeah, are we done with that? Type yes or thumbs up. Okay, सबने select कर लिया अपनी एक situation. Perfect. Now, when you think about that situation, how intense you feel about it, उसकी intensity कितनी है? On a scale of 0 to 10, what is the intensity of it, of that situation? तो शोभा, आप थोड़ी बड़ी इंटेंसिटी वाली प्रॉब्लम लो. 4 है ना. Let's take something whose intensity is more than 5, more than 6. ठीक है, कुछ इतना इंटेंस लो ताकि आपको जब आप वो रिलीज करो, आपको उसकी इंटेंसिटी रिलीज वाली फील हो. ठीक है. सो आर वी डन विद द इंटेंसिटी? कितना इंटेंसिटी है, इफ एनीबडी कैन टेल?
8.
8. ओके.
10.
10 on 10. ओके, तो सबकी इंटेंसिटी सबको पता है? Give me a thumbs up or please write it in the chat box. Perfect. So now we know the situation we want to get rid of. We know the intensity. Now, can you tell me, where do you feel that intensity in your body? When you are thinking about that situation, where you are feeling in your body? क्या आपको अपनी chest heavy लग रही है? क्या shoulder tight हो रहे हैं? क्या जब आप उसके बारे में सोच रहे हो पेट में बहुत tightness और अजीब सा feel हो रहा है? Where you are feeling that intensity now in your body?
On face.
Feel that.
Getting sweating.
Getting sweating. Okay. Anybody else? Or we have done that. Everybody, stomach. Okay. So everybody has the situation. Everybody knows the intensity of that situation. Everybody knows where it feels in your body. तीनों चीजें आंसर आपके पास है? Then we will begin. Perfect. So let's get started with that. Now let's start releasing it. But before we start tapping, gently place one hand on your chest, one hand on your abdomen. Okay? And what we going to do?
Can we lie down and this? Can we lie down and do this?
I mean, if you are finding yourself uncomfortable sitting, then yes. Otherwise, tapping करना है हमें body पर, तो आप किसी भी पोजीशन में कर सकते हो, whatever you are comfortable. It is just that you have to be in it. Okay, so just be relaxed. Just be relaxed. अगर लेट के relax लग रहा है तो please lie down. No problem. Okay, because we have to release our pent up emotions which are creating problem for us. Okay, so keep one hand on the chest, one hand on the abdomen. अब हम 3 deep breaths लेंगे. Okay, inhale, pause here and exhale. Exhale through mouth. Okay, inhale, exhale, and the last, inhale, exhale. Perfect. I'll also play some music. All right. So now we will start tapping with this point. आपकी ring finger से नीचे वाला जो point जा रहा है, we can tap here. This is the first point we will tap. Second point we will tap where our eyebrow is starting. With 2 fingers, 4 fingers, whatever is comfortable. This is the second point we will tap. Third point we will tap here. Here is a bone, if you see. On the side of your eye, here is a bone. We will tap here. Next we will tap here. Here is also a bone, if you see. Yeah, we will tap here. Next we will tap on the crown, on our head. You can use both the hands or one hand, that's fine. Okay. Next we will tap here below the nose. Next under the lip, lower lip. Next on our collarbone. Okay. And the last we will tap here on our arm, just below the armpits, 3 inches below our armpits. Okay. All right. So we will start with the first one with this. Okay. And please repeat it with me. Okay. I have just reduced the volume. Is that fine, guys? Volume is fine. Music. Yeah.
Fine.
Perfect. Perfect. So even though I keep thinking about the same situation again and again and constantly analyzing every detail, I still love and accept myself. Even though I keep replaying the past conversations and worry about what I said, what I did, or what others may think of me, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though my mind keeps jumping from one concern to another, I recognize how overwhelmed and mentally tired I feel. But still, I choose to completely and deeply love and accept myself. Yeah? So now we will acknowledge that yes, this is a situation I'm having in my life. Okay, so first we will acknowledge it. We'll start here where our eyebrows start, and please repeat along with me. I'm carrying too many thoughts which are building pressure inside my head. Next, one thought leads to another thought, and I keep analyzing everything. Next, I keep analyzing every option repeatedly. I accept that I'm afraid of regret, criticism, or disappointing someone. I feel that worrying will help me prevent a negative outcome. But this constant alertness is creating more stress for me. Next, I keep thinking about what happened and what could have happened. I try to distract myself or force myself to relax, but the thoughts keep coming back and bothers me. My mind does not know how to switch off. My body is tired, but my mind continues analyzing, planning, and worrying. Collarbone, I'm carrying so many unfinished thoughts. Underarm, this mental pressure feels exhausting. Now take a deep breath. Take your arms up. And relax. Relax. Perfect, guys. So we have acknowledged the situation is there. Now tell me how you are feeling now. You are feeling lighter or more heavier? What's the intensity now?
Lighter.
Lighter by how many number? कितने नंबर से आप लाइट फील कर रहे हो? आपके इंटेंसिटी जो भी थी वो इंटेंसिटी का फ्रीक्वेंसी बताओ.
Umanshi, I'm feeling
by 4,
very heavier.
4 to 5.
You are feeling heavier.
Slightly.
No worries, because now you are acknowledging, you are accepting the things. So it is normal to feel heavier also. Yeah. You have opened up now. Okay. So from 10, Rajalakshmi ji, from 10 you have come to 12. What's the intensity now? From 10, if you put it on
My
a...
intensity was 8. It's now come to 10.
It's now come to 10. All right. All right. And who is feeling lighter? What was the intensity before? And now? Jaldi bataiye.
From 8 to 2.
Okay.
From 8 to 2. Fantastic. Fantastic. अभी सिर्फ आपने acknowledge करा है कि
8 to 4 or 5.
from 8 to 4 or 5. Okay. Okay. Can you see कि सिर्फ हम अगर acknowledge भी कर लें कि और हम उस situation से भागे ना, तब भी हम अपने आप को relax कर सकते हैं. Right? All right. If the context, I mean, I see many of you are first time here. You have not attended the last session. Just if you see the previous session, you will be able to connect with the base of this tapping. Because in the last session, I have spoken about that how this tapping help in releasing those emotions. So please revisit the first video and you will be able to connect much better. But yeah, today the topic is different. So I hope you are still able to connect with it. Okay. So yeah, let's continue. I'll just play the music again. So what we have done now is we have just acknowledged our emotions, our overthinking and mental overload. Now we will be releasing it. Okay, we will be releasing some emotions now, some mental load now. So we will be starting with the eyebrow. Okay, we will be starting with the eyebrow. So let's start talking. The mental overload created by replaying the conversations and imagining those negative outcomes. Release. Side of the eye. The need to find an answer and the pressure to predict every outcome. Release. Under eye, any action, habit, or any behavior of mine that is feeding this overthinking and mental pressure, release. On the crown, any belief which I am holding and which is causing this uneasiness and pressure, release. Under nose, any thoughts which keep pushing me to analyze, react, and control everything. Release. Underlip, the mental drama which I keep creating by imagining different outcomes and replaying conversations again and again, release. Collarbone. This burden of having all the answers, avoid every mistake, or keep everyone happy, release. Armpit, below the armpit, not exactly the armpit. Any situation or any experience within me that is triggering this overthinking, old memories, I now choose to release. Now take a deep breath. Exhale and release. Release, guys. So how you're feeling now?
Better.
What's the intensity now? Lighter, heavier?
It's lighter now.
It's lighter now. By how much points?
8 back again.
Back again. Okay. Yes, Anita? 5? It has come to 5?
5 points less. 7 now, it is just barely there.
Sorry, I didn't get.
I said it was say 7, but now it is barely anything. It has gone down.
It is gone down. It is 0 now?
Maybe 1 or 2, 1 or
One.
2, maybe,
One.
but as good as no 0.
Very good. Very good. Anyways, we will be doing the reset now. We have acknowledged, we have release, and now we will reset it. So in that, I think it will come to 0. And if it doesn't come to 0, even then it's good because you have reduced the intensity of it. So by any point it is coming down, it is good. It is working. Yeah, we are feeling relaxed. Okay, anybody else? और किसकी इंटेंसिटी कम हुई है, बढ़ी है?
Feeling better than
Definitely come to hui hai. Yeah.
Very good. Feeling better. Very nice. Chaliye, let's do the last. Let's set the intention or reset it. Okay. All right. We will now complete this with one last gentle positive round. Okay. All right. Let's start with the again eyebrow. I am open to a quieter mind and give myself permission to pause. On the side, not every thought needs my attention, and not every question needs an immediate answer. Not every situation needs to be controlled, and I can separate facts from fearful possibilities. Head, my thoughts can slow down and my body can relax now. Under nose, my shoulders can relax. My breathing can become easier. Underlip, I choose one thought, one task, and one step at a time. Your collarbone, my worth doesn't depend on making every decision perfect. Below the armpit, I choose peace, clarity, and emotional space. My mind can become quieter, calmer, and more focused. Now we will come back to this karate chop, side of the hand. We will wrap it here. Even though I struggle to switch off my mind and relax, but I'm ready to release it now. I'm ready to release it now. Take a deep breath. Release. And relax. Now bring your attention back to the situation you selected. Notice now again where it feels and what is the intensity.
Very
Yes.
low.
Very low. Very good.
Almost gone.
Almost gone. Very nice. Yes, Shobha ji, what you are telling?
Like it's 0 now.
Very good. You started with 4 or you changed the situation with high intensity?
It's like 5 or 6. So
Okay. From 5 or 6, it has come to 0. Fantastic. Anybody else? So even if it has reduced by only 1 point, acknowledge that shift. Yeah. Our mind doesn't need more pressure. What it needs is the space and rest. Overthinking जो है वो mind का, as I mentioned, it tries to protect you. Safety feel कराने के लिए कि we can find a solution, we have solution, right? इसीलिए वो चलाता रहता है. हर चीज को कंट्रोल रखना चाहता है माइंड कि मेरा हर चीज पे कंट्रोल हो. That is how the mind is helping you. But true clarity can only come when we have, control over ourselves. हम अपना काम बना के रखें and when we take a pause and acknowledge कि actual हो क्या रहा है, चाहिए क्या, right? So we have to keep taking a pause, keep acknowledging and keep yourself calm, and the overthinking will gradually go away. Okay, if we keep doing it on a daily basis, the more we will able to, throw off all the emotions which are there in our subconscious, we are stuck there, it will come out and then it will gradually go. Okay. For the week, I would say whenever you notice yourself overthinking, place your hand on your chest. Place your hand on your chest and repeat. This thought does not need to be solved right now. You can write it if you have pen and paper or in your mobile. This thought does not need to be solved right now. I will focus on what is within my control. मैं सिर्फ उस पे फोकस करूंगा जो मेरे कंट्रोल में है. Yeah? Does it make sense? Okay, Rashmi, you have raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
I do practice many modalities. I do lot of meditation, even nights, nine also.
आपकी
Just
आवाज
really
ब्रेक हो रही है. आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है रश्मि.
Ma'am, now it's clear, ma'am.
बताइए आपने कहा कि आप बहुत
Hello.
मॉडलिटीज आप यूज कर रही हैं. ओके.
Yeah, I have heard about a lot of EFT tapping, but this
Okay.
is the first time I'm practicing it, and it's really beautiful. मेरा
Very good.
headache था Friday, but right now I am under control of the headache.
आपका इंटेंसिटी
So-
कितना था हेडेक का?
approximate 9 tha ma'am.
अभी
It is reduced to 2. It's relaxed. It's stress free. 2.
it's 0, 2. It has come down
Yeah.
to 2. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. So Rashmi,
Yes.
I mean, whatever gives you the result, please go with that.
Yeah. Sure. ma'am.
जहाँ पे सुकून मिलता है. See, ultimately, what we are trying to achieve, everyone wants peace. अब वो पीस किसको कहाँ पे मिल रहा है, कौन सी चीज करके मिल रहा है, that we have to decide. Yeah. So I am showing you a path that this can be one of the path where you can see the results happening. क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम जो हमारे पेंट अप इमोशंस हैं, जिनको हमने दबा दिया है, हम उनको धीरे धीरे रिलीज करने की कोशिश करें ताकि वो हमारी बॉडी से निकल जाएं, हमारे सबकॉन्शियस से निकल जाएं, and we can improve our life, the quality of life, because we are stuck there.
Ma'am,
Okay.
just
So
3
आप
rounds we have-
first yes,
Yes,
आप
sorry to-
3 rounds करिए, acknowledge करो, release करो, and then reset the intentions. तो first video आप देखिएगा. Okay. Yeah. So I think we are pretty much done here, guys. So let's take a picture.